Ever wondered why your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra feels incomplete without the right protection? Today we're diving into 11 best Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra cases and covers. Welcome to my channel, your trusted guide for top tech gear. All products are linked in the description, so don't miss out. The number 11 product on our list is GUODONGMEI magnetic case. Imagine a case that transforms your tablet into a blend of elegance, protection, and everyday convenience. That's exactly what this magnetic design achieves. For the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, built with a frameless, lightweight structure, it doesn't weigh you down, yet provides a strong magnetic attachment that locks securely in place. Adjustable stand offers stable 45 DEG and 65 DEG angles, perfect for streaming, work, or creative tasks, while the auto sleep/wake function saves battery effortlessly. Its slim profile keeps portability intact without sacrificing durability. Compared to bulkier covers in the 11 best Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra cases and covers, this one feels minimal, modern, and highly practical. If you're seeking peace of mind, reliable grip, and smart functionality in one sleek package, this case proves to be a thoughtful upgrade. Number 10 is BRAECNstock Shockporoof case. Think about the frustration of dropping your premium tablet and watching it take the hit. This rugged shockproof case eliminates that fear instantly. Designed for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, it combines hard PC with soft silicon, creating full body protection that feels both tough and reassuring. The 360 DG rotating hand strap and built-in kickstand make it versatile for teaching, reading, or entertainment, while the adjustable shoulder strap adds portability for travel or school. A secure S Pen holder ensures your stylus stays ready with wireless charging support for added convenience. Compared to slimmer covers in similar categories, this one feels built for heavy-duty use, offering peace of mind in active environments. If you value durability, comfort, and flexibility in one package, this case confidently earns its place as a smart investment. At number 9 is Herize Shockporoof case. Strength and security often come at the cost of bulk, but this shockproof case proves you can have rugged protection without losing practicality. Designed with a triple-layer hybrid build of PC and silicon, it absorbs shocks and bumps with ease, giving your tab the confidence to survive daily mishaps or even tougher environments. The 360-degree rotatable kickstand and hand strap add true versatility, whether you're teaching, presenting, or simply binge-watching shows. An adjustable shoulder strap frees your hands entirely, making travel and outdoor use effortless. The built-in screen protector and pencil holder bring peace of mind for scratches and stylus safety, while precise cutouts keep usability intact. Compared to sleeker covers, this one stands out for heavy-duty resilience, making it ideal for users who want lasting reliability without compromise. Use Timecity heavy-duty protective. When durability becomes a priority, this heavy-duty protective case steps up with confidence. Built with a reinforced triple-layer design and 2x more shock-absorbing material than basic covers, it's crafted for those who push their Galaxy Tab to the limit. From outdoor work to long commutes, the 360D rotating stand and multi-angle positions make it versatile for every scenario. While the detachable shoulder strap adds hands-free convenience, the anti-slip hand strap and textured grip ensure stability during extended use, and the dedicated S Pen holder keeps essentials secure. With proven drop protection and enhanced dust resistance, it's clearly engineered for reliability. Compared to slimmer designs, it's bulkier, but that trade-off makes sense for anyone who values peace of mind and rugged practicality over minimalism. And number 7 is Poetic TurtleSkin Protective. Sometimes protection isn't just about keeping your device safe, it's about making it family-friendly and worry-free. That's exactly what this rugged silicone case delivers for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Built with thick, non-toxic silicone, it feels sturdy yet comfortable, giving you peace of mind whether kids are using it at home or you're carrying it outdoors. The turtle shell-inspired back not only adds grip, but also enhances shock absorption, while the reinforced corners and splash-proof coating guard against drops and spills. Heat vents keep the device cool during extended streaming or gaming sessions, proving it's designed for real-world use. Compared to sleeker folio cases, it's bulkier, but that extra weight buys confidence. For parents, students, or anyone prioritizing durability over slimness, this option makes sense as a smart long-term investment. Number 6 is SinfoLand multi-angle stand. Sometimes the most valuable accessory isn't the flashiest. It's the one that quietly makes everyday use easier and more enjoyable. That's exactly what this multi-angle stand case delivers for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Built with a sleek PU leather exterior and soft microfiber lining, it feels premium while keeping your device safe from scratches. The real highlight is its stable viewing angles, which reduce strain during long movie sessions or work calls, making it ideal for both entertainment and productivity. The buckle closure keeps your tablet secure on the go, while the auto sleep/wake function saves energy effortlessly. It's slim, lightweight, and designed with thoughtful practicality rather than bulk. If you're after a case that blends elegance with everyday usability, this one offers a smart, reliable balance of style, comfort, and protection. Number 5 is Junfire Protective Shockporoof. When durability meets practicality, the result feels instantly reassuring, and that's exactly what this shockproof case delivers for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Built with a thick silicone back and reinforced bumpers, it absorbs impacts that would leave other covers struggling. The 360 cg rotating kickstand isn't just sturdy, it adapts to typing, streaming, or video calls with ease. Add in the adjustable hand strap, and you'll notice how comfortably it stays secure during long sessions, whether for work or study. The detachable shoulder strap makes carrying effortless, a real win for travelers, students, or parents on the go. It's rugged without being bulky, protective yet still functional, and designed with the kind of thoughtfulness that solves real-world problems. If you want peace of mind blended with everyday convenience, this case earns its place confidently. At number 4 is TORRO leather case. Luxury and protection don't always come together, but this leather case proves they can. Handcrafted from premium cowhide, it immediately gives your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra a sophisticated edge while still delivering real-world durability. The soft microfiber lining cushions the screen, while the TPU frame absorbs shocks from everyday drops and bumps. 3 stand positions make it versatile for typing, streaming, or video calls, and the elastic strap ensures the cover stays secure when not in use. Auto wake and sleep functionality add convenience, while the precise cutouts even allow S Pen charging without removing the case. It's not just about style, it's about creating a balance of elegance, practicality, and peace of mind. If you want a case that feels timeless yet highly functional, this one delivers with confidence. The third one on our list is DTTO Premium Leather Case. There's something instantly refined about a case that blends luxury feel with everyday practicality, and this premium leather design does exactly that. Built specifically for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, it combines durability with comfort, wrapping your device in synthetic leather and soft microfiber lining that feels both protective and elegant. An adjustable hand strap and multiple stand angles make long typing sessions or binge watching truly effortless, while the auto sleep/wake function keeps battery life in check. A front pocket adds useful storage for notes or cards, and the support for S Pen charging ensures nothing slows you down. It's slim yet secure, stylish yet functional, offering peace of mind without adding bulk. For professionals, students, or anyone seeking a polished all-in-one solution, this case strikes the perfect balance. On number 2 is Fintie Multiple Angle Portfolio. Sometimes the right case transforms how you use your tablet, and this portfolio style cover proves it. Designed for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, it blends premium synthetic leather with a soft microfiber interior that instantly feels protective and refined. What sets it apart is the flexibility. 3 secure viewing angles let you move from typing to streaming to browsing without hassle. The magnetic auto wake/sleep function adds everyday convenience, while the extra back pocket is perfect for storing essentials like cards or cables. It protects against scratches, dirt, and fingerprints, yet stays slim and lightweight. The overall design feels purposeful, tested for real-world comfort, and built for people who need both elegance and practicality. For professional students or casual users, this case delivers peace of mind with a polished finish. Now moving to the last one is JETech Protective Case. Sleek protection doesn't have to come at the cost of practicality, and this protective case proves exactly that. Designed with a hard PC back and smooth PU front cover, it shields your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra from scratches, drops, and smudges, while keeping the profile slim and lightweight. The translucent back adds a modern touch, showcasing the tablet's premium design without hiding it. The thoughtful S Pen slot ensures pairing and charging remain effortless, while the trifold stand delivers 2 comfortable angles for typing or watching. Auto wake and sleep functionality bring everyday convenience, saving battery life without any extra effort. Tested for real-world comfort, it strikes the right balance of durability and usability. If you want a reliable case that blends simplicity with smart design, this one makes a strong case for itself. So guys, this was the video about the 11 best Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra cases and covers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.